Welcome to Norway Visa Info. Norway is one of the most beautiful and developed countries in Europe. People from all over the world dream of moving there because of its high living standards, excellent work-life balance, and strong economy. If you are planning to apply for a Norway work visa in 2025, this guide will explain the complete process step by step. First, you need to understand what the Norway work visa actually is. It is officially called a residence permit for work, and it allows you to live and work legally in Norway. This visa is mainly for people who already have a job offer from a Norwegian employer or for skilled professionals who are in demand in the country. To qualify for the visa, there are some important requirements. The most important one is that you must have a valid job offer from a Norwegian employer. The job should be full-time because part-time offers are usually not accepted for work visa approval. You must also have the right qualifications, either in terms of education or work experience, that are directly related to the job you're applying for. Another important factor is salary. Your job must meet the minimum salary standards that Norway has set for foreign workers. Now the big question is, how can you actually get a job offer from Norway? For that, you need to apply on official job portals such as nav.no and EURES, which are widely used in Norway. You can also search on international job sites like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor. The key is to have a strong CV and cover letter prepared in the European format. Employers in Norway prefer clear, professional, and well-structured applications. Once you receive a job offer, the next step is to collect all the required documents. You will need a valid passport, a signed job contract from your Norwegian employer, your education certificates, work experience letters, recent passport-size photographs, proof of accommodation in Norway, proof that you have enough funds, and of course a completed visa application form. When your documents are ready, you can begin the application process. The first step is to submit an online application through the Norway Directorate of Immigration, also known as UDI. You must carefully fill out the form and upload your documents. After this, you will need to pay the application fee, which is around NOK 6,300, approximately $600. In 2025, this amount might change slightly, so always check the updated fee. Once payment is done, you need to book an appointment at your nearest Norwegian embassy or a VFS center. During your appointment, you will submit your original documents and also provide biometrics, which include your photo and fingerprints. The processing time for a Norway work visa is usually between 1 and 3 months. However, depending on the workload, it can sometimes take a little longer. Once your application is approved, you will receive a residence card. When you arrive in Norway, you must register with the local police station and collect your residence card. This card is what allows you to legally stay and work in the country. Another important benefit is that if you are working in Norway, you can also bring your family with you. Your spouse and children can apply for a family reunification visa and join you in Norway. The Norway work visa can also lead to permanent residence. If you work continuously in Norway for 3 years, pay your taxes, and follow the rules, you can become eligible to apply for permanent residency. This is a huge advantage for people who want to settle in the country long-term. Let's talk about some useful tips. Norway currently has high demand for IT professionals, engineers, healthcare workers, electricians, and skilled tradespeople. So if you belong to these professions, your chances of getting a job offer are much higher. Always keep your CV updated, prepare well for interviews, and try to improve your English or even learn some Norwegian because language skills can make a big difference. Most importantly, make sure all your documents are complete before you submit your application. Any missing papers can lead to delays or even rejection. So my friends, this was the complete process to apply for a Norway work visa in 2025. The most important step is to secure a job offer because without it, you cannot move forward with the visa. Once you have that, prepare your documents, apply online, attend your appointment, and wait patiently for the approval. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so that you never miss any updates on Norway visa and immigration.